In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create silhouette art just like here and a few simple clicks in Canva. You can create a picture of a child like here, for example, or yourself or a friend to give it away for a nice keepsake. Creating a silhouette of a picture of you and your dog. There are endless options what you can do. To do that, you just want to import the picture that you want to use. I just imported this one here. And then you want to click on it and click on background remover. Once that is done, you can see that all the background was removed and we just have the 3 people remaining. Then you want to click on edit while you're still having the picture selected. Scroll down a bit and go to the effects on duotone. Here you want to select the custom one. Use the highlights to be completely black. And also the shadows to be completely black. They were on gray something. So just like that, you have a silhouette art of this picture. However, there are some limitations to this. If you, for example, have some hairs, you might see something like that. So here you could go in, for example, click on background remover and click on erase, zoom in a bit, and then remove the frizzy hair that you don't like. Just like that, for example. Another limitation with the technique like that is that the picture quality can get blurry. You can see that here if I zoom in too far. This is because this is a raster image. If you want to print it in a small dimension, it should be fine. But if you want to enlarge this picture a lot, you might run into some issues with it looking too blurry. To change that, you want to convert this raster image into a vector image. For that, you want to click on share and download. Just select PNG, the current page or the page that you're working on. You can select the transparent background, but you don't have to, so it doesn't really matter. And then just simply click on download. Once it's downloaded, you want to open it in Affinity. You can see here on the layers panel that you have the pixel layer of the background. It's called background, which contains the picture. Make sure that you're in the vector studio and then click on vector, click on image trace. You can play around a bit with these thresholds to make the vector file a bit more fitted to the curves, and then just click on apply. And now you can see that this pixel layer of the background got changed to be a group. So just click on the drop down menu. And you can see here that you have a large rectangle, a white large rectangle that is the background. You can just click on this delete. And now you can see that you have a curve of the silhouette and 2 more white curves. These white curves you shouldn't delete because then the silhouette isn't looking like it should. You want to select first the white curve, then the silhouette curve, the black curve, and then click here on subtract, just like that. And do it for the second one as well. Click on subtract again, and then you have 1 curve for this whole silhouette. With this curve, you can also adjust some nodes. If you think that it's not fitting, you could, for example, do it like that so that it looks more like the original. You can play around a lot with that. If you want to have a tutorial on how to use the node tool, just let me know. Having converted it to a vector file or a curve now, you can really zoom in how much you want without it getting blurry at any point. This is really nice if you want to have a large print of your silhouette. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one.